101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Of course, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m., we have a special program with BPEC and of course Smart FM. Normally, Smart Up Your Life English discussion. And yeah, I'm not alone here. See, it's crowd, guys. Of course, at viewers and listeners at home, Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. And yeah, this evening we have a special topic. This is a very interesting to discussing. And of course, before we are going to talking or continue our discussion, let me to introduce them and of course say hello to them, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, what about you? Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah. BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
I want to try to switch my check one. Yeah, I want to use this. Anyway, guys, we are here for how many speakers here? 4. There are 4 speakers from BPEC Benteng Panynyua English Club. But before we into the topic, I wanna ask them one by one about their identity, their name, and of course introducing about what is BPEC itself. Okay, start from you. Could you introduce yourself for viewers and smart listeners at home?
Okay, thank you. Hello, smart listener. How are you? Hope you keep healthy spirit in everywhere where you are. Okay, my name is Sandina Aini. You can call me Aini. I am from Muhammadiyah University of Makassar, and I'm English education major.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay. Sounds like who Aini. No, kidding. Next, what about you?
Okay, hello smart listener. My name is Muhammad Yusril Abidin. You guys can call me Yusril, and I'm a student of Alauddin State Islamic University of Makassar.
Department and semester.
I'm taking English and literature as my major, and right now I'm in the 7th semester.
Okay. Okay, next. Okay.
Okay, my full name is Andit Henry Olmi. So hello, smart listeners. So, and my short name is Henry. So yeah, and I'm committee of BPEC period 20 and 22 till 20 and 23. So that's all from me.
Okay, next.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello smart listeners.
Yeah.
My full name is Abdullah Ibn Tapamukas. You can call me Wahid. I come from Suminasa and I am BPC committee of BPC 2022 until 2023.
Yeah, until forever. Because not X. There is no X in BPEC. All of them are committed. Yeah, right. Yeah, we just mentioned we are committed from 2002, 2014, 2000. Right, not X. Okay. Anyway, okay. Aini, maybe you could introduce what is BPEC itself at smart viewers and listeners at home. Okay, come on first.
Okay, thank you for the change. So, okay, when you're talking about BPEC is one of the old community in Makassar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and there are some program. One of them, Lovely Sunday meeting. We actually conduct a Lovely Sunday meeting every Sunday at Benteng Panynyua or Benteng Rotterdam. Okay, there are several activity that we do there, like for example, who am I? Yes. It's something that it's a kind of program activity that you know each other or introduce yourself, and the second, like
come on.
ice breaking that we actually how to say games and something like that to make us more enjoy, and also debate in discussion and debate, and the next is entertainment
Mhm.
and also building skill, and the
Yeah.
last announcement.
Okay.
So, for example, you want to announce something, or your wedding or your open house, you can give the announcement at the last session. Okay,
Thank
that's all.
you. Okay, thank you. Uh, addition enough. Addition enough. Okay, you want to give addition?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
free.
It's
Free of charge.
Free of charge.
Free of charge.
Okay, thank you. So come and join at BPEC in weekly meeting, right? At 10 a.m.
10
until 2 p.m. Right? Okay. Sunday lovely meeting. Okay. Anyway, guys, as I mentioned just now, that we have a special topic. Our topic is, but before I mention, I wanna explain about it. We have unlimited, even billion, million, I don't know, unlimited things in the world, include of this phenomenon. This phenomenon is make restriction, make limitation about the number of population. Actually, the reason one of the reason that's why this happening in worldwide, and of course, include in Indonesia. Recently, Indonesia adopt this, in special in influencer and celebrity applied this, but recently, not long ago. But this phenomena actually they have a reason, special reason why they do that. What is that? That is child free. Okay, free child or child free?
Child free.
Okay, child free. So in Bahasa, I wanna explain in Bahasa that child free means that seseorang atau pasangan yang memutuskan untuk tidak mengadopsi atau tidak memelihara atau tidak melahirkan atau tidak memiliki anak karena banyak faktor-faktor. So that's why I wanna continue this conversation about this topic, child free, with BPEC friends. Okay. Anyway, guys, I wanna ask Yusril first. Hi, Yusril. Okay, child free. What do you think about this topic this evening?
Okay. Talking about child free, in my perspective, actually, child free is a term that is popularized by some actress or influencer or others. However, it's actually exists long before, and it describes a condition when a couple don't want to have a child. Sometimes they don't want to have the child, or they cannot have a child because of the biology aspect, maybe. And I've read some article, and I got that the factor why people decide to be to apply child free because of the financial aspect, or even they just don't ready enough to be a parents. So yeah, they apply the child free.
Yeah. Okay. Keep your statement. Okay, I want to move for the next speaker. What about you, Tenri? How do you think about our special topic this evening?
Okay, interesting topic, yeah. So the first time that I know is there is child free. It's from Gita Savitri. It's influencer actually.
Yeah.
Yes. So I have asserted that it's because of feminines. So the feminines can make a decision. So it's our decision to not have a child. Yeah, it's our decision. So it's child free is a spouse decide not to have a child, of course. So maybe as user said that before, is biological aspect, and also because of the pattern of nurture. Yes, it's maybe they decide to not have a child. Yes, thank you.
You close with thank you, but okay, don't worry. You will continue your statement. Anyway, Aini, what about you? What do you think about our special discussion this
Okay,
evening?
child free. When we are talking about child free, it's something that exists at the last of 20 centuries. So means it's a new thing that we know. And also I think that child free is how to say popularized by one of influencer Gita Savitri in Indonesia. So I think it's something big things at the time because we can call it taboo, right? Because of course when we are married, we are the main purpose is to have our generation or our children to continue our how to say descendant, of course.
Yeah, generosity.
Yeah, generosity. At the very least, I think people consider or how to say choose to child free the moment they have no they how to say consider many things before they want to have a child. For example, they are not prepare well for their wealth, for example, or their how to say readiness, or because they think that the moment I have a children, I will give much burden for them in the future because, for example, I'm a poor people and so on so far. So I think that's kind of new thing for me, but I think it's acceptable for people who choose to be like that.
Okay. Anyway, Wahid, number one, people. Anyway, what is your perspective about our topic this evening?
Child free. It's the couple that they don't want to have like a child because like medical reasons or not medical reasons. Maybe they want to spend their life with their couple,
forever. With a child.
I think that they want to like spend their time with their couple themselves by themselves.
Forever.
Yeah, forever. They don't want to have a child. But now, we know like child free. Yeah, it's not like we don't want to have like child. Maybe like there is like medical reason, like what the doctor says to them, because like there is like this, there is like this. I think that's-
Okay, thank you, Wahid. And okay, we will continue our conversation about child free. Of course, don't go anywhere. Stay at home. Still with BPEC and of course Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of